Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered where the current can exist without voltage? It's like asking, can water flow without a slope, right? We all know Ohm's law. Voltage is proportional to current. So, no voltage means no current. Well, not always. The universe is full of surprises, and electricity is no exception. Let us break down this mind bending concept. First of all, refresh the basics. Electric current is the flow of electric charge, typically electrons through a conductor like a wire. And what is voltage? Voltage is the electric potential that pushes those electrons. Think of it like water flowing from a height. The greater the height, the stronger the water pressure. Likewise, the higher the voltage, the more forcefully electrons are pushed. And the higher the current means more electrons flowing per second. So logically, no voltage means no current. That's true for most of our everyday circuits. But hold on, that's not the whole story. Because when it comes to superconductor, things get wild. Superconductors are materials with zero electrical resistance at ultra low temperatures. Once a current is induced via an initial voltage or magnetic field, it persists indefinitely without any applied voltage. This is called a persistent current. Will it serve any purpose? Yes, MRI machines use superconducting coil which maintain a current for years without any applied voltage. But outside superconductors, in normal wires, no voltage is equals to no current. Meanwhile, are superconductors the only materials that can conduct current without external voltage supply? No, there are semiconductors also. Semiconductors usually follow Ohm's law, but in special cases they can have current without an external voltage. But how? The reason is first one, diffusion current. If one side has more charge carriers, they naturally spread out, creating a tiny current without a battery. Second one, photovoltaic effect. In solar cells, light excites electron and built-in electric fields move them, creating current with no external voltage. And the third scenario is thermoelectric effect. A temperature difference across a semiconductor can drive current again without any applied voltage, which is known as Seebeck effect. Next up, inductors. These coiled wires store energy in magnetic fields. When you stop applying voltage, the collapsing magnetic field fights back, generating its own voltage to keep the current flowing briefly. This is called back electromotive force. So, technically, voltage still exists, it's just not from an external source. Finally, the weirdest one, displacement current. James Clerk Maxwell realized that changing electric field like those between the plates of capacitor can produce magnetic fields acting like current even without the actual flow of electrons. This is called displacement current. It's not a real current or a moving charge, but it behaves like one in equations and enable things like light, radio, and Wi-Fi to propagate through space. So final verdict. Superconductor breaks Ohm's law with zero resistance, while semiconductors cheat it with light and heat. Back EMF keeps current alive in inductors, and Maxwell's invisible magic displacement current. Wild, right? Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind bending science. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.